Swipe left. It's time to leave the social media disease. This book deserves the attention of all parents. Renowned by law enforcement and clinical mental health experts nationwide, Delete Me, DSM 7 Steps to Social Media Abstinence was formerly only circulated interdepartmentally. Now, the newly released audiobook is available to the public for the very first time. Drugfree.org, drugfr33.org. Start telling your friends, I'm offline.
This is Jennifer, Cell Robotics, reporting to you on all things drones. It's August 12th, 2022, and it's feeling like 2049. Today in drone news. Pardon our dust. Amazon drone delivery videos reveal delivery mode, and more. The newly released Amazon drone delivery video shows off Amazon's latest aircraft model and is revealing their proposed mode of delivery. Amazon's delivery program is set to begin in California and Texas later this year. Amazon was represented at the White House Summit on Advanced Air Mobility, where they discussed gaining public acceptance for drone delivery and other applications with industry stakeholders. The Amazon drone delivery video is a stunning communications effort, fascinating to drone industry followers and any resident wondering what the service will look like, while explaining the process of engineering and testing that's been in the works since 2013. One of the most interesting aspects of this drone for the curious is the demonstration of loading and delivery. Payload appears to be loaded into an integrated compartment on the drone. The drone comes in low, it's unclear exactly what the altitude is, and spits out the package onto the ground without landing. Amazon's method seems to differ significantly from Walmart's Tether's drop delivery system, or some of Zipline's drops, which involve a parachute to gently deliver packages from a height. The development of Amazon's drone delivery program has been fascinating to watch. Seeing the program launch is something of a step forward for the industry, demonstrating that technology has evolved to be safer and reliable, even at the vast scale that retail giants like Amazon represent. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening. We're building fully electric drones that deliver packages under 5 pounds to customers in less than 60 minutes. To make the science work, we're focused on 3 components: the body of the drone, the brain, and the rules. These were snippets from the quotes from the press release of the Amazon delivery drone release. Amazon quotes, "The body of the drone. We've developed a robust drone using the same aerospace standards that design safety into our system that is just as reliable as the ground transportation methods that serve our customers today." Amazon quotes, "The brain. This sense and avoid system ensures the aircraft is able to detect and stay away from obstacles in the air and on the ground, such as other aircraft, people, and pets in backyards. With this system, our drone can encounter new, unexpected situations and still make safe decisions, autonomously and safely." Amazon quotes, "The rules. We are creating an automated drone management system to plan our flight paths and ensure there are safe distances between our aircraft and other aircraft in the area, and that we're complying with all aviation regulations." End quote. The body of the drone, the brain, the rules. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening. Isaac Asimov would be displeased. "Get that drone off my porch," quote Isaac Asimov. Just kidding. Next up in drone news, Manna Drone Delivery expands. Social media is ruining your life, but you're still using it. Drugfree.org is made possible by the volunteer efforts of law enforcement and clinical mental health researchers, and listeners like you. Drugfree.org, DRUGFR33.org. Manna Drone Delivery expands. New delivery sites, new manufacturing. Manna, the first ever aviation-grade B2B delivery drone as a service company, can I call it DAS already? Has unveiled its plans for the remainder of 2022 and 2023, which include expansion into the USA and Europe. The company is additionally planning for the development of a new manufacturing site, as well as the establishment of a drone delivery site within a large suburb in Dublin. Manna also announced its intent to expand its staff of 103 earlier this year, with plans to hire a local team of up to 50 in order to satisfy an increased demand. Manna's goal is to provide rapid suburban deliveries that are affordable, green, and safe. One autonomous Manna aircraft is capable of completing 100 deliveries in a day, with one Manna employee able to remotely manage up to 20 aircraft at a time. The company recently expanded to the Balbriggan suburb in Dublin, where it is able to service the local population of 35,000 with only 4 aircraft. Manna partners with more than 30 vendors, including Blasta Street Kitchen, Bobine, Apple Green, Tesco, Healthwave, Quick Ink, Cuddles Pet Store, and more. So far, the company has raised upwards of €30 million from a wide range of esteemed investors such as Molten Ventures, Team Europe, partners of DSD Global, Founders Fund, Dynamo Ventures, Atlantic Bridge, and Elkstone. Recently, the company commissioned a study from the University of Maynooth comparing the carbon emissions during delivery between drones and other vehicles, such as cars, motorbikes, and electric bikes. The goal of the study was to determine whether drones would be the cleanest, most efficient option for last-minute delivery. The results found that Manna's drones emitted between 6 and 8 times less carbon dioxide than a small gas-powered car. Additionally, while e-bikes were found to emit slightly less carbon dioxide than drones, they also took twice as long to complete deliveries, positioning drones as the best overall option. Quote, Manna is a great example of an indigenous Irish company at the cutting edge of a high-potential growth industry, said Leo Varadkar, the Taoiseach State Deputy Prime Minister of Ireland and Minister for Enterprise, Trade, and Employment. Excuse my pronunciation, he continues. This year, Manna has created 50 new jobs in Balbriggan, and I know they have ambitious expansion plans for the future. End quote. He goes on to say, quote, rolling out Manna's service domestically and internationally has always been part of our strategy. We are delighted that this is going to be achieved, end quote, said Manna's CEO and founder, Bobby Healy. Bobby Healy says expanding into the USA and across Europe in 2022 and 2023, while also providing another large Dublin suburb with drone delivery and the addition of another manufacturing site, shows our rapid growth plans and dedication to our mission. End quote. So which do you prefer, folks? Large drone companies, small drone companies? Mom and pop drones? Big daddy drones? This is Jennifer of Cell Robotics reporting to you on All Things Drones, and reminding you to always recycle your obsolete drones.